How to optimize games with Parsec. Now, basically, what we are going to do is just to lessen down or lower down specific settings directly from Parsec. So just go ahead and log in and access your Parsec client and head directly to your settings by clicking on the gear icon. Now, after that, just head straight to host and you make sure that your hosting is enabled. And before we proceed, this actual setup is for hosts. Now set up the FPS into 240 and then bandwidth limit into 50 Mbps or megabytes per second. Now you just need to turn on constant FPS and all the remaining settings is going to be set as 0. Now relaunch or restart your Parsec client and your games should be optimized. So that is how you optimize your game's experience with Parsec.